Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my brand new kitchen. I'm so excited. The renovations are finally done. My partner and I have been working super hard for the last year or so to get the inside of our house done. The kitchen was one of the final parts to go in. It's just been finished and I'm so excited to share some new recipes with you. Plant-based, no oil, quick and easy to make, just the way I like to cook. So today I'm going to share a delicious dip recipe with you. It only has 3 ingredients and it's from my brand new cookbook, 3 ingredient cookbook by Cooking with Plants, and none of those have any oil. They're quick and easy recipes to make, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. But for now, let's get into this recipe. So what I'm going to use for this recipe is my small Tri-Best blender. I just find that this is very useful for blending small amounts of food because you don't need to add as much liquid. Or you could also use a stick blender or whatever blender you have on hand. Even a food processor would work for this as well. So what I've done is I've soaked some cashews. Ideally I would soak these overnight, but I didn't have time, so I've just popped them into some hot water for about half an hour or so. So again, it depends how much time you have. And also, if you want to make this a lower fat version or you might be allergic to nuts, then why not try some white beans, some cannellini beans, or even some chickpeas would work in place of these. So there's another option for you. So what I'm going to do is just drain these off. And then once these are drained, I'm just going to put them into the jar of my Tri-Best blender. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning, but you can add that at the end, adjust it to whatever seasoning you like, or leave it out altogether if you just want it absolutely plain. Okay, so it's time to blend this up. Depending on how soaked your cashews are, you will need to add bits of moisture to this. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of water at a time until this is a smooth consistency. Okay, so I added about 1/4 of a cup of water to this and it is fairly blended and smooth. So I'm just going to transfer this now into a mixing bowl. Oh, that's so creamy and delicious. And obviously, if you're using cannellini beans, you'll need a lot less liquid. So you may not need any liquid at all. So just blend it to the consistency that you like for your dips. Okay, so now that you've got your cashew cream or your cashew dip as the base, what I'm going to do is add some, it was actually frozen spinach, about 250 grams worth. And I just thawed it out and drained off the liquid. I didn't want all that extra liquid mixing into this. And what I'm going to do now is just put that into here and mix it together. So it's as simple as that. They're the only ingredients that I'm using today. If you wanted to add some extra spices or extra fresh herbs, whatever you like, you can do that. But this is a great base and it's fantastic with the flaxseed crackers or some chopped up carrots and celery. It's absolutely delicious. And as you can see, it just comes together so quick and easy. And you know what has to happen now? I need to taste it. I need to just get a spoon out. Give this a taste test. Yummy. It's creamy. The zing from the lemon is absolutely delicious, and mixed with the texture of that frozen spinach that's been thawed out, it just gives it a little bit of a bite. It's absolutely delicious and so quick and easy. So give this a try, and if you do make it, I'd love to see you over in my Facebook group with your photos and what you serve it with and other dips that you like to make as well. I'd love to hear from you. If there's anything in particular you'd like me to make, please leave a comment below. I'm so excited to be sharing recipes with you after such a long break on my channel. And let's get cooking, let's get eating healthy food, and I'll see you next time. Bye.